Hello students, how are you? Students, let's start chapter 6. आपकी सुविधा के लिए नीचे मेरा नंबर और मेरी ईमेल आईडी दी गई है. स्टूडेंट्स, चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज की क्लास. दिस वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट चैप्टर ट्रायंगल्स. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, द इन चैप्टर area of similar triangles, theorem 6.6, the ratio of the area of the two similar triangles is equal to the square of the ratio of their corresponding side. Proof: we are given two triangles ABC and PQR such that triangle ABC is similar triangle PQR. We need to prove area of ABC upon area of PQR is equal to AB upon PQ का square, BC upon QR का square, CA upon RP का square. For finding the area of the two triangles, we draw altitude AM and PN of the triangle. Area of ABC is equal to 1 upon 2 BC into AM. Area of PQR 1 upon 2 QR into PN. Area of triangle ABC upon area of PQR 1 upon 2 into BC into AM upon 1 upon 2 QR into PN is equal to BC into AM upon QR into PN. Equation number 1. Now in triangle ABM and PQN, angle B is equal to angle Q, as triangle ABC and PQR are similar. Angle M is equal to N, each of 90 degree. So area similar triangle ABM is similar triangle PQN, A similarity criterion. AM upon PN is equal to AB upon PQ, equation number 2. Also triangle ABC is similar PQR given. So AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to CA upon RP. Therefore area of ABC upon area of PQR is equal to AB upon PQ into AM upon PN from first and third is equal to AB upon PQ into AB upon PQ is equal to AB upon PQ का whole square. Now using 3, area of ABC upon area of PQR is equal to AB upon PQ का square is equal to BC upon QR का square is equal to CA upon RP का square. Now students, let's start our exercise 6.4. Let triangle ABC is similar triangle DEF and their areas be respectively 64 centimeter square and 121 centimeter square. If EF is equal to 15.4 centimeter, find BC. Answer: it is given that triangle ABC is similar triangle DEF, that is area of ABC upon area of DEF is equal to AB upon DE का square is equal to BC upon EF का square is equal to AC upon DF का square. Given that EF is equal to 15.4 centimeter, area of triangle ABC is equal to 64 centimeter square, area of DEF is equal to 121 centimeter square, area of ABC upon area of DEF is equal to BC upon EF का square, that is equal to implies that 64 upon 121 is equal to BC square upon 15.4 centimeter square. BC upon 15.4 is equal to 8 upon 11. BC is equal to 8 into 15.4 upon 11 centimeter, that is equal to 8 into 1.4 centimeter is equal to 11.2. Next one is question number 2. Diagonal of a trapezium ABCD with AB parallel to DC intersect each other at a point O. If AB is equal to 2CD, find the ratio of the area of the triangle AOB is equal to COD. Since AB is parallel to CD, that is OAB is equal to OCD, OBA is equal to ODC, alternate interior angles. In triangle AOB and COD, angle AOB is equal to COD, vertically opposite angles. OAB is equal to OCD, alternate interior angles. OBA is equal to ODC, alternate interior angles. By AAA similarity, triangle AOB is similar triangle COD. इसमें यहाँ पर थोड़ी प्रिंटिंग मिस्टेक है. द साइन ऑफ सिमिलरिटी के जगह पे यहाँ पर कुछ और लिखा हुआ है. सो ट्रायंगल AOB और ट्रायंगल COD बोथ आर सिमिलर. So area of triangle AOB upon angle COD is equal to AB upon CD का square. AB is equal to 2CD. Area of AOB upon area of COD is equal to 2CD upon CD का square. That is a 4 upon 1, 4:1. Now students, question number 3. Here is 6.44 ABC and DBC are two triangles on the same base between AD intersect BC at O, so that area ABC upon DBC is equal to AO upon DO. Let us draw two perpendicular AP and DM on line BC. We know that area of triangle 1 upon 2 into BC into base into height. So area ABC upon area DBC is equal to 1 upon 2 BC into AP upon 1 upon 2 BC into DM, that is equal to AP upon DM. In a triangle APO and DMO, angle APO is equal to DMO, each 90 degree. Angle AOP is equal to angle DOM, vertically opposite angles. So triangle APO or triangle DMOB AA similarity criterion, they are similar. By the property of similarity, AB upon DM is equal to AO upon DO. Area of ABC upon area of DBC is equal to AO upon DO. Question number 4. If the area of two similar triangles are given, prove that they are congruent. Let us assume two similar triangle ABC is similar triangle PQR. Area of triangle ABC upon area of PQR is equal to AB upon PQ का square, BC upon QR का square is equal to AC upon PR का square. Equation number first. Given that area of triangle ABC equal to area of PQR, area of ABC upon area of PQR is equal to 1. Putting this value in equation 1, we obtain first AB upon PQ का square, BC upon QR का square is equal to AC upon PR का square. AB is equal to PQ, BC is equal to QR, AC equal to PR. Triangle ABC is congruent triangle PQR by SSS congruency criterion. Now students, next question, question number 5. D, E, F are respectively the midpoint of the side AB, BC, CA of triangle ABC. Find the ratio of the area of triangle DEF and ABC. Answer is triangle DEF is a midpoint of triangle ABC. DE is parallel to AC, so DE is equal to 1 by 2 AC. In a triangle BED and BCA, angle BED is equal to BCA corresponding angles. BDA is equal to BAC corresponding angles. EBD is equal to CBA AA similarity criterion. Area of BCD upon area of BCA is equal to DE upon AC का square. Area of BED upon area of BCA is equal to 1 upon 4. Area of BED is equal to 1 upon 4 area of BCA. Similarly as area of CFE is equal to 1 by 4 area CBA, and area ADF is 1 upon 4 area ABC. Area DEF is equal to area ABC minus area BED plus area CFE plus area ADF. Area DEF is equal to area ABC minus 3 upon 4 area ABC, 1 upon 4 area ABC. So DEF upon area ABC is equal to 1 upon 4. Next question students, prove that the ratio of the area of the two similar triangle is equal to the square of the ratio of the corresponding median. Let us assume two similar triangle ABC, similar triangle PQR. Let AD and PS be the median of these triangles, and triangle ABC is similar triangle PQR. AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR. Equation number first. Angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, angle C is equal to angle R. Equation number 2. Since AD and PS are medians, BD is equal to DC is equal to BC upon 2, QS and SR is equal to QR upon 2. Equation 1 become AB upon PQ is equal to BD upon QS equal to AC upon PR. Equation number 3. In a triangle ABD and triangle PQS, angle B angle Q using equation 1, AB upon PQ is equal to BD upon QS. Equation 3. Triangle ABD is similar triangle PQR, SAS similarity criterion. Therefore, it can be said that AB by PQ is equal to BD upon QS equal to AD upon PS. Equation number 4. Area of triangle ABC upon area of PQR is equal to AB upon PQ का square, BC upon QR का square, AC upon PR का square. From the equation 1 and 4, we may find that AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR is equal to AC upon PR is equal to AD upon PS, and hence area of triangle ABC upon area of PDC is equal to AD upon PS का whole square. Now students, question number 7, prove that the area of an equilateral triangle described on one side of the square is equal to the half of the area of the equilateral triangle described on one of its diagonal. So let's try ABCD with the square of the side A, therefore that diagonal is under root 2A. Two desired equilateral triangles are formed, triangle ABC and triangle DBF. Side of an equilateral triangle ABE described on one side of side A and side of equilateral triangle DBF described on this its diagonal root 2A. We know that the equilateral triangle have all the angle as 60 and all the side of the same length, therefore all equilateral triangle are similar to each other. Hence the ratio between area of these triangles will be equal to the area of ABE upon area of DBF. So A upon under root 2A का whole square is equal to 1 upon 2. Next question students, question number 8. ABC, DBE are two equilateral triangles such that D is the midpoint of BC. Ratio of their area of the triangle ABC and BDE is. Here is the triangle. We know that equilateral triangle have all the angles as 60 and all its sides are same length. Therefore, all equilateral triangles are similar to each other. Hence, the ratio between the area of this triangle will be equal to their square of the ratio between the side of this triangle. Let side of triangle ABC is equal to x, and therefore side of DBE is equal to x upon 2. Area of ABC upon BDE is equal to x upon 2, that is a 4 upon 1. Hence the correct answer is C. Now students, next question, question number 9. Side of the two similar triangle are in ratio 4:9. Area of these triangle are in ratio 2:3, 4:9, 81:16 and 16:81. It is given that the side are in the ratio 4:9. Therefore, the ratio between areas of this triangle 4:9 का whole square is equal to 16 upon 81. Hence, the correct answer is D. Now students, these graphics are for only for your interest, creating excitement. So आप इस ग्राफिक्स को, इनमें से कुछ किसी भी इमेज को आप अन्यथा न लें, ये केवल आपके इस स्क्रीन को कलरफुल बनाने के लिए किया जा रहा है. इसलिए स्टूडेंट्स, थैंक यू, आपने हमारे ध्यान से हमारी इस वीडियो को देखा, इसके लिए आपको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स, हैव अ नाइस डे, बी हैप्पी.